Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still think this is like a 1-2 and we're in a wave 3, and this is just going to keep on growing into a nice uptrend which will eventually take out these highs. Most likely this is going to end up being a 1 2 3 4 5 of A, or possibly a 1 2 3 4 5 of 1. Either way, I think it's just going to keep on trending up and look something like that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where we could clearly see the uptrend for what I think is a 1. I think this is probably the ABC of 2, even though it's a really irregular ABC, because the wave C is a much higher high and the wave B is also a much higher high. But I do believe that we have a 1-2 in there, and I believe that we are now in a wave 3, which is probably eventually going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a 5, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So keeping that in mind, because it is important, we need to go down to the daily time frame. I definitely think that we have the end of an ABC of 2 right here, and I think we're in a 1 2 3 of wave 3, which really it's probably a 1 2 3 of 1 of 3. So I don't think this trend is over. I think I'm definitely just going to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where you can see this first impulsive move up with the breakup structure, proving that this whole move down is over, which I think is a wave C of wave 2. I think this is a new trend, like a 1. This is an ABC 2, and now this is all part of a wave 3, which we definitely don't even have any signs that this wave 3 is over. It's probably just going to continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So we are definitely still primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, just looking at this, it looks like almost a perfect 1 2 3 4 5 since the last end of an ABC right here. So it does look to me like we probably are going to make another pullback, probably another three-way pullback, probably throughout the rest of today and maybe even into Monday. It'll probably make an ABC down, and then probably next week, like Tuesday or something, or maybe Monday, it will end another correction and end up continuing the uptrend, just like all these ABC pullbacks that we've been having in the past. So I am definitely still looking for longs, even though I think that we may end up going down a little bit. I personally am not going to be taking the short. I'm going to be waiting for the end of an ABC correction. Then I'll be going long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.